Setting triggers for scrolling in and out of Viewport. Overview. In Convertri, you can add triggers for elements that scroll in and out of Viewport. This is a great way to add call to actions when your visitor is scrolling through certain elements. In this example, we'll use a page of a restaurant that offers delivery and takeout. In the first part, we'll show you how to add a trigger after the bottom of an element has scrolled into view. In the second part, we'll show you how to add a trigger when the bottom of an element has scrolled out of view. Trigger for elements scrolling into Viewport. First, let's decide the action that we want. Whenever the image of the shrimp scrolls into view, we'll want a layer with a form to pop up. This means that the layer will be the target. So let's create a layer. In your page builder, select Layers in the menu toolbar. Here, you can create a new layer from scratch or choose one of the many templates stored in Convertri. To keep it simple, we'll choose a template. So select Convertri Layers, select Pop-ups, and choose Pop-ups 1. Then click Add and give your layer a new name like Pop1. Select OK. Next, edit your layer to make it your own. Remember to save your work. Assigning a trigger to an element for when it scrolls into Viewport. To exit out of the layer, in the Layers panel, select Hide All. To access the Layers panel, hit Layers and hit Hide All. You'll know that you're editing the main page when up here next to editing, it says Main Page. Since we want to set the trigger on the image of the shrimp, scroll down to the image and select it. With the image selected, open the Element Properties panel and select Actions and Events. Set the new event as follows. Event type, scroll, select when bottom of element scrolls into Viewport. You can also choose when top of element scrolls into Viewport, but we'll choose this one for now. Action, show, choose Fade in Target. Target, from the drop-down, choose the layer which we just created, include contained elements, and select Done. Save your work, and let's preview this. Trigger for elements scrolling out of Viewport. First, let's decide the action that we want. Whenever the last image of the menu scrolls out of the Viewport, in this case, it's the image of this chocolate cake, we'll want a layer with a form to pop up. In order to set a trigger, we'll need to name a target. In this example, we'll use the same target that we used in the previous steps. So, select the image of the chocolate cake. With the image selected, open the Element Properties panel, select Actions and Events, click Add New Action, and set the new event as follows. Event type, scroll, choose when bottom of element scrolls out of Viewport. Action, show, fade in target, and we'll use the same target that we used in the previous steps. Include contained elements. Select Done. Save your work. and preview the action. First action. Second action.